Hello friends, is your engine misfiring, running rough, or suddenly losing power? If your check engine light is showing code P0364, your vehicle might have a coil-related ignition issue that could lead to performance loss or even complete breakdown. This problem can affect your fuel economy, acceleration, and overall driving experience. In this video, we'll explain what P0364 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0364? P0364 stands for Ignition Coil D Primary Secondary Circuit Malfunction. This means that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an issue with the ignition coil circuit of cylinder D. This could be due to a failed ignition coil, a bad spark plug, wiring issues, or even a problem with the PCM itself. If not fixed, it can cause severe misfires, damage the catalytic converter, and make your car unsafe to drive. Common symptoms of P0364: check engine light on, engine misfires, rough idle, and hesitation loss of acceleration power, poor fuel economy, possible engine stalling, and a strong fuel smell due to unburned fuel in the exhaust. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's time for a proper diagnosis. The ignition coil system plays a crucial role in engine performance. To diagnose P0364, you'll need to inspect the ignition coil circuit for cylinder D. Alright, let's dive into the key locations to check. First up, the ignition coil for cylinder D. You'll find it directly on top of the spark plug for that specific cylinder. Now, the exact cylinder location depends on your engine's firing order, so keep that in mind. Next, let's talk about the spark plug for cylinder D. This is found inside the engine cylinder head, right beneath the ignition coil. Moving on, we have the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP. This is usually mounted near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. It monitors engine rotation and helps the PCM control ignition timing. Then, there's the camshaft position sensor, or CMP. You'll typically find this on the cylinder head near the camshaft gear or timing cover. It ensures proper valve timing and ignition spark sequence. Lastly, don't forget to inspect all ignition coil wiring and PCM connections. Look for any loose, damaged, or corroded terminals. Here's a handy tip. If you're unsure which cylinder is D, just refer to your engine diagram or service manual. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of time and hassle. Now let's get into the common causes of the P0364 code. Faulty ignition coil in cylinder D. A bad coil won't generate the spark needed for combustion. Worn out or fouled spark plug. If the spark plug is bad, it won't ignite the air-fuel mixture. Damaged or disconnected wiring. Broken or corroded wires can interrupt the coil signal. Faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. If these sensors fail, ignition timing is affected. Weak battery or alternator issues. Low voltage can cause coil misfires. PCM malfunction. A rare case where the engine control module is faulty. So how to fix P0364? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the code and check for any other ignition-related errors. Step 2. Inspect the ignition coil for cylinder D. Swap it with another cylinder to see if the misfire follows. Step 3. Check the spark plug for wear or carbon buildup. Replace if necessary. Step 4. Test the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors to ensure they are sending proper signals. Step 5. Inspect all wiring and connectors for damage repair or replace as needed. Step 6. Reset the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. P0364 is a serious ignition issue that can cause misfires, power loss, and poor fuel economy. Fixing it early can prevent engine damage and costly repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0026. Intake valve control solenoid circuit range performance, bank 1. P0027. Exhaust valve control solenoid circuit range performance, bank 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.